The Chapter 10 vocabulary word that I chose is acute angles. The definition of an acute angle is an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. This illustration here shows that this angle is less than 90 degrees because 90 degrees would be a right angle, making this line go all the way up. Two more examples of angles that are less than 90 degrees are right here. These are non-examples. This angle here is larger than 90 degrees, making it an obtuse angle. And this is a straight line, which means that the angle is equal to 180, which is obviously larger than 90. These are all real-life examples of acute angles. As you can see, the angle within the scissors being open is less than 90 degrees. The same as the angle of this pizza slice is less than 90. And just like the mouth of an alligator when it's open, less than 90 degrees, making all of these acute angles. Thanks for watching.